Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Here is Mr. Jean-Maxime Kwa. And today we're just going to go through this little application that I built, and together we're going to see. I hope to get some suggestions from your side so that we can make it better. All right, let's get started. Let's open the application itself. Good. Once the application is opened, make sure you activate, you enable the macros, because this is being made on Visual Basic. So actually, without activating the macros, it won't work properly. So make sure you activate all the macros. Enable macros. And then you get your first page. The first page comes with a window that says enter your credentials. Credentials here are email address and password. In our case, we need to select the operator first. And as you can see here, you have three different operators. You have Gmail, you have Yahoo, and Microsoft account. That's actually Hotmail or something. Depending on the type of operator you're using, you can choose either one or others. In my case, I'll be choosing Gmail, and now I'll be entering my email address. So that's going to be jeanmaxcadia@gmail.com. And then I'll be entering my password, which is the following one. And let's validate. Once you validate, you can see that on the main screen, you have 4 different paths where you can go. Number 1 is settings. Number 2, email sender, manage contacts, and then work machine. I'll talk to you about work machine later on. So let's get to settings. Settings is the part where you're going to get all the parameters you've entered. And you can see here your email address, the type of account you choose, and the server address and the port where you're going to be using, right? This mail configuration is for the full version. We'll get back to it later on. Let's go back to the menu now, and now to the manage contacts, right? In the manage contacts site, as you probably guessed, this is the part where you're going to fill in your different contacts. You have the name, you have the first name, the email address, the phone number, the title, the gender, and then you can enter up to 5 other different parameters that you guys want to use. You might want to use, for example, the birth date. This is a specific parameter. You can just use the other one and write in your birth date. So let's get started. I'll use my own name, and let's use one of my other email addresses to @gmail.com. Oh, this is for the email address, right? And this is for the first name. So the first name is going to be Jean-Maxime. And let's go to my phone number, 08882367. Title, let's say automation expert. Okay. Gender, so let's put insert because that's a parameter we're going to use. And let's say, for example, the date. Today is the 24th, March 24th. Okay, so let's do it. 0, 3, 2, 1. Yep, there we go. All right, so we have one contact in our contact list. And let's go back now to the menu, and let's go to email sender. In email sender, you get welcomed with one message. It gives you some instructions. By the way, this is written in French because the last people I did send the application to were French-speaking people. So you got some instructions. Actually, this is where you're going to write your email, the body of your email. And you can see here a little description of how the application works, but since I'm talking to you orally, I will just delete this text. Let's delete this. But before we start, we need to enter our mail subject. That's going to be hello. Hello there. Okay. And you can see here you have 3 different fields that will help you add attachment, right? Say that say for example I want to add some attachment. I just click on, I go to my folder, and then I will attach the application itself, and I will send it to me. Now you can access the settings by clicking just right here, and you can have some instructions if you don't know exactly how it works. So you have some instructions right here. Then let's write this email. But as you probably noticed, we have a table on the right side, and this table just gives you some variables, the variables that we entered in the contacts. And to use one of those variables right here, you just need to type in the variable code. So say, for example, I'd like to say good morning, sir. Remember, we used the gender to say sir. So the variable I'm going to use is the variable gender. So I need to enter a dollar followed by gender. Good. Good morning, sir. We want to put a comma and then go back to next line. And since this is in Excel, to go to the next line, you have to press Alt and Enter. We are on the next line, and we will write the rest of our message. So I'll say, good morning, sir. Let me put the name as well. So that's going to be dollar e-name. That's a variable name, e-name, dollar e-name. So that's going to be good morning, sir. Quoi? We go to next line, and then we have heard about your application, and we want it. Okay, we have heard about your application and we want it. Your email address is the following. Okay, and now we'll put in the variable containing the email address, which is dollar email address, just like this. And let's use as well the phone number, your phone number is phone number, phone number, and then we can sign our email, or I'll just let's use the title. We did not forget your title. The title, it's gonna be dollar title, right? So we have it all, and then you can put your best regards and you can sign. Good. So we're done with the body of our email, and we are definitely done. We can just click on the send button, send mails, and you get a pop-up message that says, do you want to go ahead? Because you are about to send this email to one contact. For sure, we got only one person in our database, so this is why it says this. Would you like to continue? Okay, we'd like to continue. And the application is going to send the message. And as you can see, it's working. And once this is done, you got operation completed, right? The operation is completed, which actually means the email has been sent. Now let's move to our web browser to see if we got the email. And look what, hello there, right? Let's click on, you can see the message here. Good morning, sir. Quoi? We have heard about your application. We want it. Your email address is the following one, and your phone number is that. We did not forget your automation expert, which is your title. Thanks for watching, and guess what? Remember something. The first time you're going to use the application, for sure, you're going to get blocked by Google because actually Google considers this as an inappropriate activity. And Google will be sending you a message. Just go into the email you get from Gmail, from Google team, and then activate access for little security or low security applications, and then it should work fine. If you like it, please share it with everyone you know. I have this application, I want to make it available for you. Just fill the form and I'll be sending you this application so that you can use. I have as well other applications, and oh, I was about to forget something. I told you about Work Machine Group. Work Machine Group is just a little company I'm working with from time to time. They make a lot of different trainings, conversational English, advanced Microsoft Excel, VBA programming. You can enroll. They also offer booklets and training materials, and they have consultancy services. So you agree with on just what you need, they can build you bright dashboards. So I work with those guys. So just in case you have questions, you want to have some tools to be used for your own activity or something. If you are an entrepreneur, if you are working with a company, if you're working in a service, if you're dealing with data analysis, any of those things are the fields that I can help you with. So please feel free to contact me and let's keep in touch. This was Mr. Max.